Hello, I am Amon from the Schematix YouTube channel. So JLC is back in production and I've been busy tidying up around my workshop, doing some chores and tinkering on a few projects that I have lying around in the workshop. But I'd imagine if you're anything like me, you've probably by now caught up on all your chores and cleaning and everything you can do in the workshop, and probably by now as well watched every single video on the internet. So what do you do next? Well, JLC are running a promotion, gathering a whole load of electronic projects you can do at home. You'll be able to vote for your favourite project and receive discount coupons and enter the draw for other prizes. For my entry, I'd recommend building your own regulated power supply by building my buck converter project. I've tested and built several versions of my buck converters, improving the design and performance with each version. It's completely open source and a detailed schematic, bill of materials and instructions can be found on my website. And at the end of the build you will have made a fully functional buck converter ready for use in your next project. And even if you're not planning on building any of the projects during the promotion, by voting for your favourite you'll be entering the draw to win other prizes as well. So get voting and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.